Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best treadmill exercise to lose weight. Number 1. AnyLife Walking. Take your home workouts to the next level with a compact and powerful treadmill designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Featuring a manually adjustable 5 degrees incline, it helps you burn more calories and better simulate outdoor climbing, making each workout more challenging and rewarding. Built with a quiet yet strong 2.5 HP brushless motor, this treadmill operates at less than 45 dB, so you can exercise anytime without disturbing family or neighbors. With a maximum weight capacity of 330 pounds, it provides stability and durability for a wide range of users. Measuring just 3.85 inches thick, this space-saving walking pad easily fits under sofas, beds, or desks when not in use. Equipped with transport wheels, it's easy to move around and store without hassle. The 4-layer non-slip running belt combined with 6 shock absorbers ensures comfort and reduces impact on your knees and joints, making it suitable for long-term, joint-friendly fitness routines. With speed settings ranging from 0.6 to 4.0 miles per hour, you can walk, jog, or run according to your preference, all controlled conveniently with a remote. The clear LED display tracks calories, distance, speed, and time, keeping you motivated and focused on your goals. Tattoos of your exercise and experience the portability and fun brought by technology. Number 2. Abano Portable. Bring the feeling of outdoor climbing into your home or office with a treadmill designed for effective calorie burning and versatile workouts. With an adjustable 8% incline, it boosts fat-burning efficiency by up to 45%, making your walking or jogging sessions more challenging and rewarding. The speed range of 0.5 to 4.0 miles per hour allows you to choose between light walking, brisk jogging, or a steady run, giving you the flexibility to match your fitness level and daily routine. The wide 5-layer anti-slip running belt is enhanced with a tough rhombus texture and supported by 6 silicone shock absorbers, ensuring every step is safe, comfortable, and easy on your joints. This thoughtful design reduces impact on your knees and muscles while delivering a smooth and stable experience. Its compact frame and built-in wheels make it highly portable, easily sliding under beds, desks, or into closets when not in use, perfect for smaller living spaces. A bright LED display keeps you on track by showing speed, distance, time, and calories, while the included remote control lets you adjust settings effortlessly. With 3 workout modes, working, walking, and running, you can stay active, fight fatigue, and boost your energy anytime throughout the day. Number 3. Acclure Treadmills. Achieve a more effective workout from the comfort of your home or office with a treadmill designed to optimize calorie burn and simulate real climbing scenarios. The incline adjustment feature allows you to intensify your exercise sessions, targeting muscles more effectively while delivering a higher fat-burning impact than traditional flat walking pads. With a speed range of 0.6 to 4.0 miles per hour, it accommodates everything from a casual walk to a light run, giving you the flexibility to personalize your fitness routine. Powered by a robust 2.5 HP motor, this treadmill runs smoothly and quietly, producing less than 45 dB of noise, so you can work out early in the morning or late at night without disturbing others. The spacious 15.75-inch by 35.43-inch running area is paired with a 6-layer anti-slip belt, 10 silicone shock absorbers, and 2 additional cushions to reduce impact on your knees, joints, and muscles, making every step safer and more comfortable. The multifunctional LED display clearly tracks speed, time, distance, and calories, while speed adjustments can be made via touch screen or the built-in remote control. Compact, portable, and fully assembled right out of the box, this treadmill fits easily under a bed or sofa, making it ideal for small spaces and convenient everyday use. Number 4. Seeutek Vibration. Transform your fitness routine with a multifunctional treadmill that goes beyond standard walking pads to deliver a complete workout and recovery solution. Designed with 3 versatile modes, walking, underdesk running, and vibration, it not only supports daily exercise but also provides a refreshing 5-minute vibration massage to relax your body after training. With 4 adjustable vibration levels, You can target calorie burning, improve reflexes, or simply ease post-workout fatigue for a balanced approach to fitness and recovery. Equipped with a powerful 2.5 HP servo motor, this treadmill offers speeds from 0.2 to 3.8 miles per hour, ensuring smooth transitions between light walking and steady jogging. Its whisper-quiet operation, below 45 dB, makes it ideal for home or office use, so you can stay active without disturbing your surroundings. Built to support up to 350 pounds, with a recommended capacity of 265 pounds, it delivers stability and performance for a wide range of users. The intuitive LED display and SpareX Fitness app allow you to track key stats such as calories burned, distance, speed, and time in real time, keeping you motivated and informed. Lightweight at just 27 pounds and measuring only 39 by 21 by 3.5 inches, this treadmill is compact, portable, and easily stored under a desk, bed, or sofa, making fitness more accessible than ever. Number 5. Trisomy Treadmill. Take your home workouts to a new level with a versatile treadmill designed for maximum efficiency and convenience. Featuring an 8% manual incline, it can increase calorie burn by up to 150% compared to standard treadmills, making it ideal for busy professionals, endurance runners, or anyone looking to target stubborn fat. The treadmill adapts to your fitness needs, offering a range of speeds from gentle walking to intense running, transforming any space into a high-intensity training zone. Powered by a 3.5 HP motor, it delivers smooth, quiet performance at speeds up to 6 miles per hour while supporting over 330 pounds, ensuring stable, uninterrupted workouts without disturbing family or roommates. Its compact, foldable design and smooth rolling wheels make it easy to store under desks, sofas, or beds, taking up just 4.48 inches when folded. Perfect for small apartments or dorm rooms. This all-in-one treadmill combines walking, jogging, running, and hill climbing modes, providing a versatile fitness solution. The extra-wide 36-inch by 15-inch running belt, reinforced with a 6-layer anti-slip surface, 10 silicone shock absorbers, and 4 shock cushions, absorbs up to 30% more impact than standard models, reducing stress on knees, hips, and ankles. The LED display and app track speed, calories, distance, and time, while the built-in remote makes adjusting settings effortless, keeping your workouts safe, effective, and enjoyable. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.